Hi, I'm Josephine Cameron, author of Not All Heroes, a book about Zinnia, a sixth grader who's dealing with the loss of her younger brother. When Zinnia finds out that her upstairs neighbors are part of a real-life superhero team, she and her Aunt Willow decide to join up and find out what being a hero is all about. Zinnia and Aunt Willow have a lot of fun creating their superhero gimmicks, their costumes and superhero personas. And Zinnia's persona has a rainbow cape, and she made it out of curtains, and her teammate helps her sew some magnets onto it so it can magnetize to her shoulder. But my cousins Ruby and Gavin have decided to help us learn how to make an even easier cape. A superhero cape made out of only a t-shirt. All you need is scissors, and you don't even need to know how to sew.